How to censor swear words or cuss words in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by moving your playhead to the area where you have the swear word or cuss word that you want to take out. For me, it's here. Then press B on your keyboard. This will open up the cut tool. Click and then move the timeline to the end of the area and then click again. Press A on your keyboard to return back to the normal mouse. Next, click into the Fairlight tab. This is where we're going to be doing most of the work. To begin with, right click on the tracks to the left here and then select Add Track Stereo. This is going to add a new audio track below our initial audio track. What we're going to do is generate a tone that is going to replace the swear word in our audio here. To do this, we need to come up to Fairlight, come down to Patch Input/Output, come into Source and set this to System Generator, click into OSC, and then also click on to Audio to Left and Audio to Right and then choose Patch. You can then click out of this window. Next, come up to Fairlight again and then select Test Tone Settings. This will open up this window. Just leave it open up there for now. Next, we need to set up this track for recording so that we can record the tone that will inevitably bleep out the word we want to remove. So to do this, we can click on the R symbol and this is going to set it up for recording. Now, as we can see there are no levels currently. We need to come up into the tone settings, set your frequency to 1000 and then enable the test tones. And as we can see there, we now have levels. You may want to mute your speakers when you're doing this because the tone isn't great to listen to. The next step is to move your playhead to just before the cut for this word and then press the record and then stop. And now we have this tone generated. To turn the tones off, all you have to do is select test tones and that will bring the levels down and stop the horrible noise. You can now click out of this test tones and then you can trim this tone that we've just created to just the area that you want to use it for and then drag it up into your audio to replace the curse word. Now, if we come back into the Edit tab and play back this audio, we will see the curse word has been bleeped out. This video is going to show you how to censor swear words or words in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all there is to it.